Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Home Depot credit card account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box type in Home Depot credit card login and search. From the search result you can pick this first link which will take you to ct.com, from where you can easily access your credit card service anytime you want. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the text box appearing on the left hand side. On the next field, type in the correct password for your account. If you are having trouble remembering your user ID or password, click on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password respectively. Finally, click on the Sign On button and you'll be able to log into your Home Depot credit card account. The Home Depot credit card is a store-brand credit card that offers special financing and benefits to its cardholders. It is issued by Citibank and the card is designed for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals. That is how you can easily log into your Home Depot credit card service online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.